Hi guys, today we'll be dealing with number basis. So we'll be starting from number basis addition, as you can see. So I'll be giving us some examples on number basis and how you can add them together. So example one, actually you have 2 6 7, then you have 3 7 6. So we are asked to add this number together in base 10. Now, one thing about number basis is that we are going to be referencing on the basis we are being given. If they give us base 8, we are going to reference to base 8. If they give us base 2, we are going to reference to base 2. Now just take this 7 plus 6, that's 13. Now you are going to do 13 divided by 10, this 10 actually. So this is 1, then remainder what? Remainder 3. So you are going to be writing your remainder. We have 3 here. Don't forget this one. You are going to add it to the other part. So you move to this place, 6 plus 7, 6 plus 7, then plus this one, and this is 14. 14 divided by 10, you are going to have 1. 10 in 14 is 1, remainder 4. And you are going to be writing your remainder. So you are going to write your 4. Don't forget this one also. So you come to this place, 2 plus 3, then plus this one, and this is 6 actually. So this is not up to 10. You can write it. So our answer is 643 base 10. We can still have this same question in base 9. You are going to say I'm going to do it now. So the same way, 7 plus 6 is equal to 13, then 13. So you see that 9 in 13 is equal to 1, remainder what? Remainder 4. And I said we are going to be writing remainder. This is 4. So don't forget you have this. Bring this second number, 6 plus 7 plus 1. This is 14 all over 4. So all over 9. Sorry. 9 in 14, that's 1. Then remainder what? Remainder 5. We are going to write 5. Now you are having 2 plus 3, then plus this 1. So this is 6. So you are going to write, you see that 654 is not up to 9. So that's a very good example for us to use. So we can this is another example. You have add 2041, 232 and 13 in base 5. So we are asked to add them into base 5. So first of all, this last digit, you see 1 plus 2 plus 3, and this is 6. So 6 divided by this 5, you are going to have 1 remainder 1, and I say you are going to be writing your remainder. So you move to this row actually, where you are having 4 plus 3 plus 1, then plus this 1, and this is 9. So 9 divided by 5, you see this is 1, then remainder what? Remainder of 4. You are going to write your remainder. So you are having 1 left. This is 0 2. You are going to have 0 plus 2, then plus this 1, and this is 3. So it's not up to 5, you can write it, and this 2 also is not up to 5, you can write it. So you see that this number, the answer we got is not up to 5. So this is in base 5 actually. This is number based subtraction. So it's the same thing like number subtraction, just that you are going to be referencing any base you are given. You see, so 4 in 1, it is not possible. So 1 is less than 4. Therefore 4 cannot be removed directly from 1. So you have to borrow 1. We have to go to this place and borrow 1. So when we borrow 1 from this place, so transfer it to this place, this will be 10 plus 1, that's 11. So 11 minus 4, and that's 7. So you are going to write 7. Now for this side now, 2 and 3, this you have borrowed 1 from this place, this one will remain 1. So 3 cannot go in 1, 3 cannot be removed from 1. So you still have to go and borrow 1 from 7. So this one will remain 6. So when you borrow 1 from this place, 1 to this place also, this will be 10 plus 1, and that's 11. So 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. You are going to write it. You see, the reason we when we the reason the number we borrow from, the one we borrow from this place turned to 10 in this place, is because we are dealing with base 10. If it is base 8, so when you borrow 1 from somewhere, so it's going to be 8 in that place. So this is 6. You have 6 minus 2, and that's 4. You are going to have 4 like this. This is in base 6 actually. So when you see this now, this is a subtraction. So in base 6, 5 minus 4, that's 1. So this one is okay. But now 2 minus 4 is impossible. Like 4 cannot be removed from 2. You have to go and remove 1, borrow 1 actually. So we come to this place, there's no number, is on this place. Now you know we are working with base 6. This place is 1. Now borrow 1 from this place, this one is going to be 0, this place is going to be 6, because we are dealing with base 6. Now for us to get to this place, borrow 1 from this 6 again, this one is going to be 5, this place is going to be 6. Again we are going to this place actually. So borrow 1 from this place is going to be 5, and this place is going to be 6 plus 2. So when we have 6 plus 2, that's 8 minus 4. Is this 2? This 6 plus this 2, that's 8, and minus this 4, we are having 4. So this one is 5 actually. You know, we have borrowed 1 from this place. 5 minus 1, that's 4. And we have 5 minus 3 again. 5 minus 3, that's 2. So, and this is 0. So these are our final answer. This is in base 6. That question. So find the missing number if the addition below is in base 8. So this number, we are asked to find this number. It's very simple to hand. So we have the addition, and actually 4 numbers are added together to get this. It's very simple. The step 1 is that we are going to add these 3 together. Then after we gotten it, we are going to minus it from this place. Then we are going to get this one. So let's add these 3 together in base 8. 3 5 6 1 2 1 3 2 2 5. So in base 8. So when we have 1 plus 3 plus 5, this place we are having what? 8. 8 divided by 8, this is 1. I mean that 0. We are going to write the 0 because we are adding together. Now let's move to the second one. 6 plus 1 plus 2, then plus this 1. So this is what? We are having 10. 10 divided by 8, which is equal to 1 remainder 2. So we are having 1 remainder 2. We are going to write 2. So we have this we are going to write the remainder 2. We are having 1. So let's move to this part. 5 plus 2 plus 2, then plus 1 again, and this is 10 divided by 8. Again we are going to have 1 remainder of what? Of 2. So we have 2, these are remainder, and this number left. So we have 3 here, 3, then plus this 1, this is 4. So the number, the addition of this number is this. So what we are going to do is just that. Step 2 to get that number is that subtract this from this. So we are having 4 7 0 2 4 2 2 0 base what? Base 8. So we are to subtract. So it's very simple to subtract. Let's just deal with this like this. So 2 minus 0, this is 2. We are going to write 2. Now 2 cannot go in 0. We have to borrow 1 from this 7. So this one will remain 6, and this will be what? 8. Actually, you know, I said this is base 8. So we are having 8 minus 2, which is equal to 6. So we are going to write 6. We have 6 in this place. So we are having 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. We are having 4, and this is 0. So this, the missing number is 462. So when you add when you put 462 in this place, you are going to get this. You can see that very simple. This is multiplication actually, so it's very simple, the same way we do our normal multiplication, but I said that we are working towards the base, the issue. So now it's very simple. You are going to say, I'm going to do it. 3 multiplied by 2. So if you do 3 multiplied by 2, you are going to have what? 6. So 6 divided by this 4, you are having what? You are having 1. Remainder what? Remainder 2. You are going to write your remainder 2. Now 3 times 3, we are having 3 times 3, that's what, 9, then plus this one, so that's 10. So 10 divided by 4, we are having what, we are having 2, remainder what, remainder 2. We are going to write 2 here, so don't forget these 2 will be added. Now we are having 2 times 3, 2 multiplied by 3, this is 6 plus this 2, and this is 8. 8 divided by 4 is what, 2. Then remainder what, 0. So you are going to write your remainder, so that is 0. And since there is no number left, you are going to write these 2 at the front. Don't forget the same way and normal multiplication. Now 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 2 is 2. So you are now going to add them together in base 4, and don't forget we have done that before. So 2 plus 0 is 2, base 4 now. So 2 plus 2, this 2 plus 2, we have 4. 4 divided by 4, we have 1, remainder what is 0. So this is 0. So 0 plus 3 plus this 1, so you will be having 4. Again 4 divided by 4, remainder okay is equal to what, 1, remainder is 0. So we are having what, 0. Now we are having 2 plus 2 plus 1, this is 5. 5 divided by 4, which we are having 1, remainder what, remainder 1. So you are going to write your remainder first, 1. There's no number left, you are going to write this 1 again. So our answer is now 11002 base 4. Even though if you are giving number more than this, any what do I want to call it, any base, this is how you are going to do the multiplication, like your normal multiplication, and you add them together. So it's very simple. Another example, you can see copy and complete the multiplication table below in base 7. It's very simple, the same way we did the other time. So this is what you are going to do. This multiplied by this is 6 actually. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So 6 divided by 7, you see, like it 7 can't go in 6, so it's going to be, we are going to write 6. So we have 2 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 4, where we have 8. So 7 can go in this now. We are going to have 1, remainder 1. So when you have 1, remainder 1, this is going to be 1, remainder 1. So we have 2 multiplied by 5, 2 multiplied by 5, this is 10. So 7, which is equal to 1, remainder 3. You are going to have 1, remainder 3. So 2 times 6, 2 times 6, you are going to have 12 divided by 7, and this is what, 1 remainder what, 1 remainder 5. So you have write 1 remainder. So we are done with the first one. So we are moving to the second part, where we are going to have 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 9. So 9 divided by 7, and which is equal to 1 remainder 2. So you write 1 remainder 2 here. So we are having 3 multiplied by 4, which is 12. So 12 divided by 7, you are having 1 remainder 5. So we are having 1 remainder 5. So we are having 3 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 15 divided by 7. Now 7 and 15, 2 remainder 1. So we are going to write 2 remainder 1 there. Now we are having 3 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 20 or 18 actually. Sorry. So 7 and 18 is 2. Remainder what? Remainder 4. You are going to write 2 remainder of what? Remainder of 4. So for the last part, you are having 4 multiplied by 3, which is 12. So divided by 7, we are having 1 remainder 5. So this is 1 remainder of 5. Now we are having 4 multiplied by 4, which is 16. So 16 divided by 7, we are having 2 remainder what? Remainder of 2. 2 remainder of 2. And this one we are having 4 multiplied by 5, which is 20 remainder divided by 7. So we are having 7. How many 7? 20. We are having 2 remainder of what? Of 6. 2 remainder of 6. So 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24, which is the answer. So 7 in 24 is 3. 3 remainder of what? Remainder of 3 again, because that's 7 times 3 is 21. So you are going to write 3 remainder of what? Of 3. So these are our final answer. So it's very simple. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that when we post another video you are going to be notified. Thank you.